If you're using a weight loss drug like Ozempic or Wegovy, you might be making a few mistakes right now that are quietly costing you muscle, especially if you ever have to stop. And I've seen this play out up close. My younger brother was using Wegovy. The weight was coming down. He felt better. Everything looked like it was working. But at one point, his insurance stopped covering it, and he had to stop because he couldn't afford it out of pocket. And that's when this really matters. Because what you do during the process affects what happens afterwards. So let me walk you through the most common mistakes I see, and more importantly, how to fix them. Mistake number 1, not eating enough protein. A lot of people are eating less overall, but they're not prioritizing protein. And that's one of the fastest ways to start losing muscle. The fix. Aim for about 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight per day, or about 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight per day. For example, if you weigh 150 pounds or about 68 kilograms, that's roughly 105 to 150 grams of protein per day. And a simple way to hit that target is to aim for about 25 to 40 grams per meal. Now, in terms of what that actually looks like, think simple, high-quality protein sources like pasture-raised eggs, organic or pasture-raised chicken, wild-caught salmon, plain Greek yogurt with no added sugar, or a protein shake if you're short on time. And if you want to see simple examples of these foods or quick meal ideas, you can check out my YouTube shorts where I break these down step by step. Mistake number 2, not doing any strength training. If you're not giving your body a reason to hold on to muscle, it won't. The fix. Even just 2 to 3 strength workouts per week can make a big difference. A quick, simple structure you can follow is 5 minutes of light cardio to warm up, 20 minutes of resistance training, and 5 minutes of cardio for cool down. Focus on basic movements like squats, presses, rows, lunges, things like that. And if you want to see exactly how to do these movements, I have quick demonstrations with my YouTube shorts that you can follow. Mistake number 3, losing weight too quickly. This is where a lot of muscle loss happens. The fix. Aim for about 0.5 to 1 pound per week, or about 0.25 to 0.5 kilograms per week. If you're losing weight faster than that consistently, there's a higher chance you're losing muscle along with it. Mistake number 4, eating too little overall. It might feel like eating less is helping, but going too low can actually increase muscle loss and slow your progress. The fix. Stay in a moderate calorie deficit, typically around 300 to 500 calories below maintenance. For many people, that often ends up somewhere in the range of about 1,500 to 2,200 calories per day, depending on your body size and activity level. The goal isn't to eat as little as possible. It's to eat enough to support your body while still losing fat. Mistake number 5, inconsistency. Doing things perfectly for a few days and then falling off won't give you the results you're looking for. The fix. Keep things simple and repeatable. Have a few go-to meals, a simple workout routine, and a structure you can stick to even on busy days. And this is really what it comes down to. You don't need a perfect plan. You need a plan you can actually follow. Now, I'm curious, which one of these do you think you've been struggling with the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you want a simple plan to help you avoid these mistakes, just comment the word plan and I'll send it to you.